Good morning, good morning. This is day 3 of me eating fruits and vegetables for 30 days, y'all. It has been real on this journey. I am feeling so good. I'm so energized, but I wasn't energized enough to get up to wake up to a dirty ass kitchen. My son left this kitchen a mess, so I had to clean it up before I started my day. So let's jump straight into it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause I love you.
Alright, y'all, so now that I'm finished cleaning up my son mess, I'm gonna make my juice that I made yesterday. I'm gonna finish it up, cucumber and pineapple, and then I'm going to have some fruit along with that, blueberries and strawberries. Fresh juice tastes so much better the next day. After everything just settled in, it's just, I don't know, it just tastes so fresh. I guess that's why they call it fresh juice. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you make you that feel all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. So we're finished school shopping, and of course my son talked me into going to Applebee's because he loved eating out and spending all my damn money. So we ate Applebee's for lunch.
Do y'all have any vegan options? The Impossible Burger.
No, I don't want that. Okay.
All right.
Thank you. So I ended up just eating a regular house salad, and it was bussin'. Alright, y'all, I am back. No football practice today, but I'm gonna go ahead and make my next meal. It's gonna be guacamole and just some chips. So y'all, I thought I was doing something with this meal. I already knew these avocados was going to give me a hard time, but I did let them sit for like 2 days and they still wasn't ready. But I attempted to make some guacamole anyway, and so I cut up my avocados. I could just tell by how they was coming out the shell that this was not going to be good. So I tried to soften it up with a little mayonnaise, which I don't really like mayonnaise, but I do put ranch seasoning in my avocados, and sometimes I do, you know, onions, and I slice the tomatoes, but I got lazy and put some damn Rotel tomatoes in there, which made it water, and it was so nasty as hell. This shit had to go in the trash. I was not eating this. It was a no-go. Change of plans. So I decided I'm gonna boil me a sweet potato and make me some green beans because the avocado was a no-go. So I'll be back after that's done. Alright, y'all, so I've cooked my green beans. I am waiting for my sweet potato to be done. I boiled it this time, so it's taking a little bit longer. Yesterday I put it in the microwave, but today I wanted to try it boiled. So after I finish cooking my sweet potato, I'm gonna plate it up. I'll be back when that's done. Alright, y'all, so my sweet potato is finally done. I got everything plated up. This is what it looked like. Without further ado, I'm gonna eat because I'm hungry. I'll be back. Y'all, it is 10:55 at night, and I haven't ate since earlier when I showed you my last meal with the sweet potato and green beans. I have did my mommy duties, got my son's room straightened out, clothes washed, washed my baby girl's hair, bathed her, and did her hair, put beads on it. I'm tired, but I'm going to eat something else, maybe some fruit, maybe make me a smoothie, and I'll drink one of these drinks that I bought from Target today. I know I've been just drinking water, but I want to try these Good Father drinks, 0 calories, 0 sugar. Is it 0 sugar? Nothing is in it, so I'm gonna try that over some ice, edit some videos, and do some work, and I'm gonna go to bed. I will see y'all tomorrow. That ends day 3 of fruits and vegetables, y'all. See y'all tomorrow. Good morning. It is day 4. And I'm trying to get on this routine, y'all. So I woke up a little bit earlier than usual. And I'm going to go for a workout because I didn't work out yesterday because I was super busy. But before I work out, I'm going to have me a banana. And then I'm going to do me a 1 to 2 mile walk. Also, today, y'all, I'm trying this new pre-workout by Doobie. It has no artificial flavors, no fillers, no sugar, all natural products, no jittery feeling or nothing. So link is in the bio, discount is in the bio, so go and get you some. They have some bomb flavors. Today I'm doing the today I'm doing the peach and peach is mango white peach cooler. It literally tastes like a peach wine cooler. So I'm not drinking alcohol, but I think I can make this work. All right, y'all, so for my next meal, I'm gonna have a peach sorbet. I haven't really been that hungry today, so I'm kind of like forcing myself to eat because for some reason my appetite has been curbed, but it's a good thing. I'm with that. I'm gonna add a little bit of almond milk in it because I know I'm gonna have to re-spin it, and I'll be back and show y'all the results. So this is what it looked like on the first spin, and looked a little dry and like crunchy, but we're gonna go and re-spin it again and see what we got. It was like taking so long. I was so hungry, but this is how it turned out. I want that one. See that one. I'm not really fond of the texture, but I think it's because the fruit was in water and not syrup like it usually is. But it tastes very good. I put these peaches in a bowl with some cranberries, almonds, and coconut flakes. They were bussin'. Then I had grapes, bananas, and peaches, and I ended the night with carrots and cucumbers and ranch. That's day for y'all. It's a wrap.
You can't be replaced.